money by simply doing short tasks. You just need to visit a website, fill out a form, then get started. It isn't that hard at all, and you'll be earning money in no time. Try it out. Today we're going to be talking about how to earn $100 in free PayPal money. Make sure you stay to the end, as you won't want to miss a great way to earn money simply and at home. Number 1, make a PayPal account. To start, you will need a PayPal account. This is free and easy to use. PayPal is a way for you to earn and hold money digitally. It is used around the world and anyone can get a PayPal account. You will need this for today's technique, so go ahead and visit their website, then look on the top of the page for the sign up button. You will be greeted with a page that asks you if you want to set up a personal account or a business account. Go ahead and select personal account, then enter your email address and password. You're all set. Number 2, go to Validately. Validately is an amazing website that will pay you to do short tasks. This is a great site to use if you want to earn money fast. Here are the payouts. For a 5-minute task, you will earn $25. For a 10-minute task, you will earn $75. And for a 30-minute task, you will earn $300. Isn't that great? Pay close attention to these instructions, because with it, you'll be earning a lot of free money in a short amount of time. Some of you may have heard of the website Validately before, but here is a new method to earning money with it. You can use the site on either your phone or your computer. This is really a great company because if you scroll down on their front page, you can see some of their customers, which include Google, Amazon, Allstate, and others. When you first go to the website, you are going to want to hover your mouse over the top of the tab that says Get Paid to Test. Click on it. It will take you to a page that very clearly states, test websites, make money. It's that simple. Yes, it truly is that simple. This will be a lot easier than you may think. To start, click on the green button that says Start Making Money. Once you click on that button, it will take you to another page that allows you to register as a tester and start earning money. Click on the Create an Account button. It will then take you to a form that you will need to fill out. Number 3, fill out the form. This form contains 16 questions that you will need to fill out in order to be accepted as a website tester. Let's take a look at what you can expect to be on the form. Question 1 starts off simple enough. It asks you what type of mobile devices you own. Answer all of these questions honestly. If you own multiple devices, select all that apply. Question 2 asks what type of computer do you own. Select all that apply. You may have a Mac or a Windows or maybe even a Linux. Select what is suited for you. Then click Next. Question 3 will ask what version of your operating system you use. If you choose Windows previously, it will ask you which Windows version you are using, such as Windows 10, Windows 8, etc. Select one of these and click on Next. Then it will ask you about your gender. Select either male or female. Question 5 asks what year you were born. For this answer, you will have to type it, so type the answer and select Next. Question number 6 will be an important one. It asks you what is your level of education. It is best to select college graduate because that means you can earn higher pay. Select it, then click Next. Next question asks you your employment status. Select either self-employed, part-time, or full-time. Click on that next and click Next. Question 8 asks you what industry you are working in. Click on the blank space and there will be a long list of options. You can select additional results to find more options. Here is a quick tip. If you select information technology or anything involving around IT or technical jobs, you'll be earning a lot more money through this site, so consider choosing one of those options. Now click Next. Here is question number 9. It asks you to select a job title. Type in marketing and select search marketing strategist. Then click on Next. Now question 10 asks you for your annual household income. It is important to select an answer in between. Select one from $25,000 a year to $125,000 a year. Click Next. Now we'll ask you for your full name. Simple, just input your full name into the inbar bar. Click Next. Question 12 then asks you for your email. It is important to add a valid email for this. Then click Next. Now another important question. They will ask you for a PayPal email. If you have a PayPal, enter your email for that. This is important because this is how they will send you money after you complete those short tasks. Enter your PayPal email into the answer bar, then hit Next. Question 14 is super simple. It asks you to enter a password. Choose on that you will remember, then hit Next. Question 15. Now you will need to pay attention closely to this instruction. This question will ask you what time zone you live in. When you click Detect by Location, you will want to select Provide Time Zone manually. Click on that and select which time zone you live in. Just select the country and click on it. This select country you are from. Then finally, Select a state. After answering the 3 columns, click Next. Now, the final question, question 16. You'll be agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. This is the easiest one. Just click Yes, I agree. There isn't any other option. Then you click that Hit Sign Up. That's it for the form. Number 4, take the test. Once you have finished the form, you will lead to a page. This page states that you must take a simple 1-minute screener test before you can get paid to take tests. For this, you must be using Google Chrome. You can download that browser for free. Once you have it, check your email inbox and the email from Validately. This is your confirmation email. Click the link to confirm your account, then the screener test will begin. Go to the bottom of the page and select the button that says Take the Screener Test Now. That will lead you to another page. On that page, you can see that the website is recruiting people to test websites. This screener test can be done either with your computer or with your phone. It also says you must be using Google Chrome. Now, go to the bottom of this page and select I will test websites for money. They will then give you a test tutorial. You can pick on the green circle to show your tasks. You can also watch tutorial videos for this. Click Next. The green circle will appear in the corner of the page. You can move this around. That is where your task will appear. Now, click on OK. I'm ready to begin this test. Now, to begin, you will need to install the Validately extension on Google Chrome. Click on the Install button on this page and it will lead you to the Chrome Web Store. It will open up the Validately unmonitored testing extension. As you can see, tens of thousands of users have already used this extension. Now, click to Add to Chrome. This will add the extension to your browser. Now, you can use this software and test websites from your phone or computer. Number 5, go to Amazon website to test the website. Once you have the Validately unmonitored testing extension added to your Google Chrome, you will now have a task. Here is an example task. This is for testing the Amazon website. They will provide you with a document that has the instructions in a step-by-step format of what to do. The instructions are simple. First, you will need to visit the Amazon website. They will provide you with a link for the website. Click on the link, and once you do, you'll be led to a website they ask you to test. For this example, you'll be led to Amazon's homepage. That was the first step to this. Now, they will ask you to take a screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. You will need to take a screenshot because this provides Validately with proof that you actually visited the website. If you are using a phone, just take a normal screenshot. If you're using your computer, then use print screen or a snipping tool to screenshot the main page from the link that they sent you. Save that image as proof that you visited the website. That is the end of step number 2. See? It's that simple so far. Now on to step number 3. They want you to locate today's deals on the Amazon website and take a screenshot of that. To do that, go to the Amazon website and locate it. They want you to do this because they want to know if it's easy to find the daily deals. Certain websites make it difficult for users to locate certain sections, so this is a way to audit the process of finding it. On Amazon, it's easily found on the top of the page. Now, click the Today's Deals and take a screenshot of that. Next step is to search for Scott's Standard Bath Tissue and take a screenshot. You can copy and paste what you need to search so it will be easier. Then, search it. Once you find it, select and take it to screenshot. That's it. That's all the steps needed for this example task. It didn't take that much time and you were going to get paid a decent amount of money for it. Most of the tasks will be similar to this, so you can easily do a lot of them and get hundreds of dollars a day. Thanks for watching. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.